Hey y'all, today I just wanted to show y'all because everybody's been asking what do I do to get my front pieces like this. Actually, nobody's been asking that, but in case you're wondering, because y'all probably will be asking, how to get your hair like this. So I've been wearing my hair like this for like the last few days and I think it's cute. I like it, and this is what I've been doing. So I just took the very front section from ear to ear and took that out and put all the rest of my hair up into a little bun. And it's not real neat and tucked, it's a little messy, that's okay. And you can do this with medium to long, short. If your hair is too long, you may need to cut some layers in it to get this effect, the feathered effect. But if your hair is just all one length, you won't get the same effect of the layers. So here we go. I just used 2 sponge rollers. That's all. As we all know, sponge rollers, especially if you had them for a long time, they start to break. You end up losing these. So, like this one, for example, I can't find the little clasp, but the bone is in there. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I named it that. The bone is in there, but I can't find the clasp. So you know me, Miss Clever, right? I was like, let me use these pipe cleaners. I got some pipe cleaners and I sort of twisted them together. I used 2 to make it more sturdy. Sort of bent the end over to thread it through. And let me take this bone out and use this to wrap my hair up at night. Now these ones have the little satin, or you can do the regular sponge. But yes, pipe cleaners and sponge rollers, and I'm gonna show you how to wrap it up. So here's what I did. I took one side of the front section, took my sponge roller, and I love sponge rollers because they are so comfortable to sleep in. They're more comfortable than the hard perm rods or the flexi rods. And they just always work for me. And I love the bigger size because I like my curls to just have like a little bend on the end for some body. And just like you would a flexi rod, you just take it and tuck, and take it and tuck. And that's one side. Take one end and secure, sort of bend the end over, and then take the take down, and then like I said, you can really part down the middle, or take it, swoop it over, put the other side back up into the bun. But I just love styling locks. Like, it's just hair. It's regular hair. I made my edges.